Guilin, formerly romanized as Guilin, is a prefecture-level city in the northeast of China's Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region. It is situated on the west bank of the Li River and borders Hume to the north. Its name means Forest of Sweet Osmanthus, owing to the large number of fragrant sweet osmanthus trees located in the region. The city has long been renowned for its scenery of karst topography. Guilin is one of China's most popular tourist destinations, and the epithet, by water, by mountains, most lovely, Guilin is often associated with the city. The State Council of China has designated Guilin a national famous historical and cultural city, doing so in the first edition of the list.
Before the Qin dynasty, the Guilin region was settled by the Baiyue people. In 314 BC, a small settlement was established along the banks of the Li River. During the Qin dynasties, 221–206 BC, campaigns against the state of Nanyu, the first administration was set up in the area around Guilin. The modern city was located within the Guilin Commandery, which is the origin of the modern name, Guilin, in 111 BC. During the reign of Emperor Wu of the Han dynasty, Xi'an County was established, which could be regarded as the beginning of the city.
In AD 507, the town was renamed Guizhou. In 634, Lingui County was established at the modern site of Guilin, under Gui Prefecture. In 868, Pang Zun rebelled against the Tang from Gui Prefecture. Guilin prospered in the Tang and Song dynasties but remained a county. The city was also a nexus between the central government and the southwest border, and it was where regular armies were placed to guard that border. Canals were built through the city so that food supplies could be directly transported from the food-productive Yangtze Plain to the farthest southwestern point of the empire. In 997, Guangnan West Circuit, the predecessor of modern Guangxi, was established, with Guizhou as the capital. In 1133, Guizhou was renamed Jingjiang Prefecture. In 1367, the name was changed to Guilin Prefecture.
By Sun Yat-sen. In 1940, Guilin City was established. Guilin was the provincial capital of Guangxi before 1912, and from 1936 to 1949, Guilin became one of the most important military, transport, and cultural centers of China during World War II. The city drastically expanded as refugees from all over China poured in, and by 1944 its population had grown from 70,000 pre-war to more than 500,000. It hosted intellectuals and artists including Guo Maruo, Mao Dun, Ba Jin, Qian Han, Zhu Beiyong, Feng Zikai and many others. In 1950, the provincial capital of Guangxi was moved from Guilin to Nanning. In 1981, Guilin was listed by the State Council as one of the 4 cities, the other 3 being Beijing, Hangzhou, and Suzhou, where the protection of historical and cultural heritage, as well as natural scenery, should be treated as a priority project.